Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel. And today I will show you what's the basic difference between dissect switch and multi switch. So let's start first with the dissect switch. So this is dissect switch. So when we need this, right? When we have multiple dish setup, like we have three dish antennas, one is dedicated to one satellite, second one is dedicated to second satellite, and third one is dedicated to third satellite. So when we have multiple dish antennas and only one receiver, then we need this, the dissect switch, so that we have connected uh, like in this dissect switch we have we have 8 LNB setup. So here we can connect 8 LNBs for one receiver. So here we can connect one receiver, and other ports we have to connect the LNBs or dish antennas to other satellites. So this dissect switch we need when we have multiple dish antennas or LNBs and one receiver. So in that case we need dissect switch. And regarding multi switch, so what is multi switch, right? So multi switch we need when we have multiple receivers and only one LNB, like when we need to share one LNB connection to multiple receivers. And in this case for multi switch we need twin output LNB, like this type of LNB, right, where we have output, and these twin output we have reserved for, one is for horizontal and second one is for vertical, and these twin output can connect to these two. And after that we have multiple receivers, and we can share this LNB connection to multiple receivers parallelly. I mean, there will be no conflict between the receivers for vertical and horizontal frequencies when multiple receivers run parallelly. So in this case we need this multi switch. So what finally we can conclude, like, we need dissect switch when we have multiple dish antennas and one receiver. We need multi switch when we have multiple receivers and one dish antenna or one LNB. Friends, we can also use both switches together in the situation where we have multiple dish antennas and also we have multiple receivers. So I will make separate video how we can use these two switches together with complex connections. So for now friends, I think I'm able to let you know the basic difference between these two. So thank you for watching. Thanks.